Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a combination spanner in Solidworks Pro. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. So let's going to start. New file is created, part is selected, then OK. I'm selecting the unit this MMGS. Then component is taken, go to the sketch and going to take a center line, sketching a center line from here. Okay, done. Then I'm taking the ellipse, ellipse is taken, sketching an ellipse from here. Okay, done. After that, I'm going to take a center line again, sketching a line here, advanced click OK. Then determine the dimension from here to here, the angle. Angle is 17 degree. Okay. Then I'm taking a line, sketching a line, advanced click OK. Then pressing the control, then click on this line and on this line it will be parallel. Okay. Then click on this point and on this arc and it will be coincident. Okay. Then smart dimension is taken and determine the dimension. It will be 20 millimeters. And the distance from here to here, taking this one is 55 millimeters, and the distance from here to here will be 50 millimeters. Okay, done. Then going to the mirror, click on this line and mirror about, click and on this center line. Sorry, delete it on this line. Now see. Okay. Then the distance before going here, another dimension is needed, and the distance from here to here is 12.5 millimeters. Okay, done. Then going to the mirror, click on this line, click mirror about and click on this line. Now okay. Then taking 3-point arc, going here, 3-point is taken, one click, another click and done. Okay, then a small dimension is taken and determine this one. This time this radius is 50 millimeters and done. Then trim is taken, trim this line. Now see. And all determination is done here. Then going to circle and sketch a circle here. So its diameter is 33 millimeters, and I'm taking a hexagonal. Okay, hexagon here is 3. Then sketching a hexagon, right mouse click. Then go to the dimension and the distance from here to here, 25 mm. And again taking the hexagon again, click on the center and going here and okay. Then going to the smart dimension, the distance from here to here taken also 25 mm. okay, see, then the distance from here to here 240 mm. Okay, done. And going to trim this inner side lines, all inner side line, taking few times, few seconds. Okay, done. Then another things I am taking the line again and sketching a line from here to now it will be tangent, but I don't want to take a tangent. So create a line from here to here. I'm going to click OK. Then click on this line and make it horizontal. And the distance from here to here it will be 10 mm. And okay, then going to the mirror, click this line, mirror about on this center line. Then trim is taken, trim here and trim here. See, trim here, and now it's okay. Now it's not okay. Taking a line and add to this point. Click OK. Then this one is the done. After that, I'm going to the features. Extruded boss is selected. Extruding this points, this portion and this portion. Going to the mid plane and taking is 10 millimeters. Okay, done. Okay. Then again going here and sketch. Going to the extruded boss and click on this mid plane. Going to the mid plane and taking this one is just 6 millimeters and merge results. Okay, done. See, after that going to the fillet, click this portion, this edge and this edge and also this edge, and I'm taking this one is the radius 30 mm. Then okay, see, after that I'm selecting this one, going to the sketch and convert entities. Now see, then offset, click on this portion and I'm taking this one is 3 not 5 mm and going to the reverse. Now see, then okay, then going to the features, extrude card is selected and I'm extruding up to 1 millimeters and going to the selected contours and I'm selecting this inner part. I'm taking this one is 1 millimeters cut. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the fillet and selecting all edges, one edges, another edges, and corner, another corner, and another corner is selecting. Now I'm taking this one is 3 mm. What happened? I see. Now see, nice. Then I'm going to the mirror and going here. Front plane is taken. Click on this portions. Then okay. Now see in this time. After that, going to the fillet. Select this edge. See this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge, and taking this one is 1 mm radius. Okay. Now the combination spanner is done. Then I'm choosing the materials. Okay, here metal is selected, and I'm taking the brush. Okay, done. Polish brush is taken. Now see, going here. I think everybody got it how to sketch a combination spanner in Solidworks software. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you. Thank you very much.